Tired of always making white or red rice? Let me show you how to make a delicious arroz poblano. For this recipe, I'm gonna be using 3 chile poblanos, but I'm only roasting 1. Make sure to roast on all sides. It's ready. I'm gonna take it out and put it in a plastic bag. This makes it easier to peel. The other 2 poblanos, I'm gonna be cutting them into smaller pieces and adding them into the blender. I'm also gonna add 1/4 of a small white onion, 2 garlic cloves, small bunch of cilantro, 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper, salt to taste, and 1 cup of water. We blend. Now we're gonna peel and cut the roasted poblano. To peel, I'm using my hands, but you can also use a spoon. I'm also gonna dice this small piece of onion that I'm gonna be using while frying the rice. Now I'm gonna start making the rice. I set my pan to low-medium heat and I'm gonna add 1.5 tablespoons of butter. Once the butter is melted, I'm gonna add the diced onion and 1 minced garlic clove. Okay, we fry for about 30 seconds. And now we add 1 cup of rice. I'm using Jasmine rice. We fry until golden. It's been 3 minutes. Our rice now looks golden. I'm gonna add the roasted poblano and 6 ounces of corn. Give it a mix. Now we add the salsa and 1/2 teaspoon of chicken bouillon. Give it a mix. We cover it up. Reduce the heat to the lowest setting and cook for about 15 minutes. It's been 15 minutes. Our rice is ready and I'm gonna turn off the heat. I'm gonna add some butter. We mix it in. Once it's well mixed, we cover it up and let it rest for 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes and our rice is now ready to serve. Honestly, guys, if you haven't tried this rice, it's a must. It's packed with flavor, it's super delicious, and not spicy at all. This, you can pair it with your carne asada, with some beans, with some fried chicken. The possibilities are endless. So if you haven't made it, I suggest you make it. Cheers. It's so good. The texture of the roasted poblanos, it's so good. I love it. Super delicious. And there you have it, delicious arroz poblano.